Their secrets whisper, quiet and sweet. Echoes dance on ancient stones, stories carved in nature's bones. Eagles soar in skies so wide, through the clouds they gently glide. Trees stand firm in the morning light, guardians proud through day and night.